Action.
Hi, my name is Brittany, and today we are going to be simplifying rational expressions like the one I have on this paper. So let's get started. So the problem we have right now, I'm currently at the airport. So sorry for all the noise. So this is our problem. It's going to be 16x minus 12 over 4x squared plus 5x minus 6 minus 3x plus 2. So first we just wrote out our problem, right? So this is our first step. Our second step is going to be, we're trying to simplify this one, so we're going to do our ACB chart. AC, so this is A, B, C, so we're going to do A times C, so 4 times negative 6 is negative 24x squared because the 4 is with an x squared. So we're going to try finding two common denominators, and that is negative 8 and 3, because negative 8 times 3 will give us,
It's 8 and negative 3.
Yeah, it's 8 and negative 3. My bad. Thank you, Eric. Have a little assistant with me today. And we're going to do the box now. We're going to plug in these two. So 8 over here and negative 3 over here. Then we are going to plug the A and C. So our A is 4x squared and our C is a negative 6. So 4x plus x equals 4x squared. 4x times 2 equals 8x. So x, and what equals negative 3? That's negative 3x. And then we make sure that's right because there's negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So we just use the ACB chart. Now for number 3, we found out that these are our common, or our factors. So now we're going to substitute it in, write our fraction again. So we're going to write this instead, x plus 2 and 4x minus 3, and then add this again on over here, 3 over x plus 2. From there we just want to put parentheses to make sure I don't confuse myself. So now what we have to do with this is what is on this side that isn't on this side. So we already know we have x plus 2, so now we need to add on 4x minus 3 on this side, and what we do on the bottom we do to the top as well. So we do 4x minus 3. So now we're going to just write it again, write everything out again. 2x, 4x minus 3 minus 3 times 4x minus 3, then x plus 2, 4x minus 3. So now for number 4, step 4, we are going to distribute, because there's a negative sign, so this is technically negative 3. So we're going to do negative 3 times 4x and negative 3 times negative 3. So what we get from that is, so we're going to write this out again, 16x minus 12. So negative 3 times negative 3 times 4x is going to give us negative 12x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. We're going to put it over this, and we're only going to write this once because it's the same thing. So 4x minus 3. So now we are going to add these, try to make it as small as possible. So we're gonna, this is a x, my bad. So this is gonna become, so 16x minus 12x is going to give us a positive 4 because 16x is bigger than negative 12x. And negative 12 plus 3 is going to give us a negative 3 because 12 is bigger. Over what we had on the bottom, x plus 2 and 4x minus 3. So what we can cancel out is 4x minus 3. Cancel that out.
If you are just joining us in the boarding area, this is
And now we are going to do
here at the
1 over x plus 2. And that is your answer.
Just a quick reminder, customers are